Hey people, well, Jalen got a new starter, she's going crazy with it, but Tanner's supposedly going to do this trick on his bike, and I'm trying to record him. Wait, Jalen, don't do it. Can you see him?
On my phone,
No, but on mine, can you see him?
No. No, I'm right here, you can see him. Okay, Tanner, go.
Wait, Tanner, stop! I got an idea. I can zoom in.
What's that going to do?
Wait, Tanner. Wait.
Tanner, I'm ready. Hold on. I need to zoom.
Okay, go.
So whatever, go.
Whatever, I'm not zooming in. Okay, let's not. Don't do it right there.
Go.
Oh, God. La 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 la. Just kidding. They're cooking real, not some steak, so bad. Tanner is sitting on his face, acting dumb. I think he's saying it or something. Let's go to the fort. Hurry, I think the dad's coming. Oh God, yes. Hi. Okay, you guys know. Hey people. Okay, I'm gonna get pee. Can I go pee in this house? Yeah, go. Where's my phone at? Okay, I'll take care of it because I'm just moving. ¿Tiene que ser pipí? No. Hey people, so this is Jalen's phone, and it's awesome. So yeah, I'm gonna take a picture with it. Oh yeah, see it. It's ugly on the phone. So this is her phone, and her cover, if you can see it, it's not very good because, oh wait, can't see it. It's like that, something like that. Wait. And I'm not ready yet. I'm saving my number, so you do not want to see it. You can only see. Oh my God, I hate this stupid cat. I'm trying to be mean, but I don't really like cats that much. Yep. Here, this is my. I'm not ready, Tanner. Shut up! We're recording. And this. Oh crap! Okay. Well, this is my name. If y'all did not know that, it says Emily, and it says my phone number. So I'm covering it with my finger. What the heck, Tanner? Don't do that. This. Don't need it right now. Sorry, this hand is down. Yeah, it's old because his parents don't want to buy him a new one, but he's getting a new one for Christmas. My phone is charging, so that's why I don't have it. Sorry, I can't show you this right now. Okay. It would show the number. I don't want you to have the number. On, off, so that. Tanner gave me his phone. It's off. I'm gonna take anything.
Tanner, what are you doing? I'm just putting this up.
I took a picture and put my number as a contact so you can call me or do whatever anytime.
Cool, okay.
So you look at the contact. Contact.
Hey, don't turn on my phone.
I'm turning it off.
You didn't take a picture.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
My phone is already here.
No, it wasn't.
Let me see it.
Wait, I want to see your pictures.
Oh. I don't care. You want to see my picture? What is it?
Here's a picture of Smurfs.
Let me see.
Wait, oh god.
Babysitter. Let me see the Smurfs.
Let me
have
it. Let me have that phone.
Shut up, Tanner. God. You're in a bad mood.
You see how much he screams? People, I'm gonna put this on YouTube now.
Yes.